Hi there guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how this software automatically adds listings on G2G using an Excel sheet. Currently, we're working with two games. The first one is Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, where the software adds details directly from Excel. And the second one is Apex Legends. Here's the Excel sheet. I've added all the details that I want to list on G2G. As you can see, I've written the details with game names, and the software automatically detects them and lists the items on G2G. I've added details for both games, so the software can detect and process them easily. Now, let's run the script. First, it opens G2G according to the game. In our Excel sheet, the first game is Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, so it starts adding the details for that game based on the Excel data. The second one is also for the same game. You can easily change any details in Excel. The software will list them according to your updated information. Now the third listing is for Apex Legends. It continues adding listings until the Excel sheet is completely processed. As you can see, the listing has been added successfully. If you're interested in this software or want a custom one, contact us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more automation tools like this,